deep in the shadows.
Good day, guys. Welcome to Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I hope you guys are doing great. So, the first thing you have to do right now is, if you want to be receiving a lot of videos about designing free website, free image, the next thing for you to do is to click the subscribe icon, subscribe, and click on the bell notification. So, without wasting much of our time, after doing so, let's proceed. So the first site I will recommend you is mockupdesign.com. So this is actually how it is being spelled on Google Chrome. So you actually go to Google Chrome and tap it there, mockupdesign.com. So let's go. Good. So this is mockup design. So you can actually get your premium PSD file here, your free banner, file, a free flyer, any type of mockup you want to get here. This is a banner, free banner. This is clean business card. This is clipboard mockup. So any mockup you want to have here, any PSD file, you can actually get it here. So another one is freepik.com. This is one of my website, my best site, freepik.com. freepik.com. Yeah, in freepik.com we have so many things here. We have background, we have mockup, we have background, we have photo, we have vectors, we have PSD file, we have abstract background, we have white background, we have blue background. Anything you want here, you just tap it. If you want flyer mockup, sorry, so this as a background. So just type anything you want to type here. Just type here. If you want PSD file, just type it. Everything will come. Everything will come. PSD flyer, PSD font. So you can get anything. You can get your vector here. There's vector. There's text effects here. Anything at all. Anything at all. That's the way you can actually get it here on freepik.com. And they also have premium things. You can see premium here where my cursor is showing. That is premium, and they also have free. So if you're looking for free, because if you are looking for this, and if you are looking for for premium something, they have premium here, and if you are looking for free, they also have free. So another website is unsplash.com. So unsplash.com. unsplash.com. So this is another site every designer must know. You can get your high resolution photos here. You can get your image here. This one they deal with photo, they deal with wallpaper, they deal with texture and pattern, architecture, business and work, fashion, film, food and drink. So you can get your photo, your image here for design. You can actually get your background here. Can you see it? They are clear and you can use them for work. So that is all about unsplash.com. So another one I'm going to tell you is Pixellab.com. 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 This is Pixellab.com. Enter. So this also free stock here. You can add your free stock image here. They also have leaderboard challenge. So they have many other things here. You can just search for your photos here, landscape, forest. So everything is here on Pixellab.com. So another site I'm looking at is Pixellab.com. Pixellab. So that is another site for getting image and for getting video. So in Pixellab.com you can actually get your image here. You can actually get your video also in Pixellab.com. So you can actually see it here. You can actually see it. They also have music. They also have sound effects. So you can get anything you want here. Also they also have vector illustrations here. So let's click on illustration. Let's see what they got in illustration. So so let's search for icon. So let me search for icon if they have it here. So let's go. So I click on the search icon. So can you see there? So look at pen. Look at pen here. Pen with pencil with shadow. So you can actually get your file, your picture, your materials. Instead of buying materials, you can get all here. And if you know how to search very well, you can actually get your materials online without wasting much of your time. So another site I'm looking at is coolors.com. Coolors.com. So you can see here coolors.co. So in coolors.com, it is used for color palette. You can actually get your color palette there. So in coolors.com, it is used for color palette. So let's wait for it. So you can see the app. So you can see the app many color palette there. You can see there. So this color palette to explore the color palette. So you can actually make your own color palette here. So you can actually get as many as color palettes, brilliant color. If you know your way around about this one, the app you need to do. So another site I'm looking at is to get your font. You go to your font.com, font.com. I'm sorry, font.com. So you have to give it S here, font.com. So you put your enter. So in font.com, you can actually get your you can actually get your font here. You can download your font. Sorry. So you can download your font here in font.com. So any font at all, you can actually get it here. So another place to download font. So this is where you search for font. Search for any font that you want to use. Get it there and you download it and go to your site Zachiver to get to actually put it to compress the font. So another one is the font.com. So this is one of my sites I used to get my font, and it's actually not the best. I'm going to show you the best place to get font. So the font.com is also part of also one place you can get your font. So this is where you can get your font. So this is another place, and this is not the best. So let's go to the best now. I'm going to show you the best. So the best is fontspace.com. Fontspace.com. So this is my own best place I to get my font, because they have every font here. All the font they have it here. Can see maybe 30,000 plus free font. They have almost every font you're looking for here. Just search your font, any or they have style. So let's go to style. So this is where you actually get the kind of font to use. See font for auto days, pictorial font, backcategory font, foreign look style, and they also have decorative font style, font style, extreme font style, other font style. So this is actually everything you can get in here. So another place I'm looking at is Flatic.com. So let's search for this one. On the Flatic, this website is for icon, for vectors. So let's search for this. So let's go on with this. So Flaticon.com. Flaticon.com. So in Flaticon.com, they have all your everything you need, like icon, vector. So this is what they did in Flaticon.com. So can you see it? Accept 7.4 million plus vector icons and stickers. Download free icon and sticker. So they have everything here in SFG, SVG, EP, SD, PSD, and CSS format. So they have all what you need here. Yeah, continue as I'm making good. So you can see your things here. So let's search for social media icon and icon. Let me search for social media. Social media icon. So let me search for it. So you can actually get all the icon you need here. So you can see now they have all everything you actually need, you're looking for here. So they have in different color. You can WhatsApp, you can Instagram. See another one. So there are a lot I don't even know that, but they actually have it here. See YouTube, Facebook, everything they have, everything you need here is on practical.com. So another website I'm looking at for you to get your icon is thenomproject.com. So you click on thenomproject.com, thenomproject.com. Good. So that is this one is thenomproject.com. So you click on thenomproject.com. So in thenomproject.com, this actually for icon and photos for everything. So you actually search everything you want to search here. So let me say Facebook icon. Okay. Or let us search social media icon. Social media icon. Good. So you click on your search icon. So guys, see now. So they also have everything here we need on here. So this is the whole icon here. Look at the icon. So about millions of icon is here. Thumb up, all icon, most icon are here. So you can actually get everything you need here. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the subscribe icon, and the bell icon to get more video whenever I upload new videos on this channel. So thank you for watching up to now. Thank you for watching.